Welcome to our guide on modern dining room decorating ideas, where style meets functionality to create the perfect space for dining and entertaining. Whether you're looking to refresh your current setup or design a completely new dining room, we've got you covered with the latest trends and inspirations. Minimalist elegance is a hallmark of modern dining rooms. Start by choosing a streamlined dining table with clean lines and simple forms. Light wood or neutral finishes paired with sleek metal accents create an effortlessly modern look. Don't forget the centerpiece, a statement chandelier that adds sophistication without overwhelming the space. Another key to modern dining design is adding bold accents. Whether it's a striking accent wall in a deep color or a large piece of contemporary art, these elements can elevate the entire room. Consider pairing it with neutral dining furniture to let the art or accent color truly stand out. To achieve a bright and airy vibe, embrace natural light and incorporate glass or reflective surfaces. Glass dining tables or mirrored decor pieces not only add a modern touch, but also help the room feel more spacious. Position your dining room near large windows or add light, sheer curtains to keep things open and inviting. One of the current trends in modern dining room design is mixing materials. Combining wood, metal, and fabric creates visual interest and adds texture to the room. For example, a wooden dining table with industrial-style metal chairs and soft, cushioned seating creates a perfect balance between hard and soft elements. Another great modern design element is the open shelving concept. Use sleek, open shelves to display your favorite dinnerware, glassware, or unique decor pieces. It's functional and stylish, offering easy access while adding a touch of personality to your dining space. Finally, let's talk about lighting, an essential part of setting the mood in your dining room. Layered lighting is key. Start with a statement chandelier or pendant light over the dining table and add soft, ambient lighting like sconces or floor lamps. Warm lighting brings a cozy, inviting feel that makes every meal feel special. Whether you're a fan of minimalist designs, love bold accents, or enjoy mixing materials, the modern dining room offers endless possibilities. So why wait? Start transforming your dining space today with these modern dining room decorating ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.